the channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Redbox Entertainment, and today, unfortunately, the stock has dropped a whopping 13.36% and is now trading at $10.05. So previously, the stock closed at $11.60, but today it opened at $10.84. So that was quite low. And in the course of the day, you guys can see on the graph, the stock has slowly declined in value to trade now at $10.08 with barely 50 minutes to the close of today's normal trading session. Volume today is mitigated at just about a third of what it would normally be. Just 7 million shares have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 21 million shares. Just for a reminder, the 52-week range for Redbox Entertainment is from $1.61 all the way up to $27.22. So the market capitalization of Redbox Entertainment is right now at 456 million US dollars. And just remember that a company called Chicken Soup for the Soul is in talks to purchase Redbox Entertainment, and it is still not clear. I don't have the details if that deal is going to go through, but it was announced, and that has been a while back, maybe about a month. And since then, I don't think I've seen any news or information about Redbox Entertainment. Now, going back to what we've been discussing on this channel, if you look at the monthly for Redbox Entertainment, if you go back 1 month, you will see that the stock has definitely been appreciating. A month ago, the stock was worth just about $6.24, but it has gone way up and now is trading at $10.07. The way the market might recover, housing, real estate might still feel the shock waves of all the recent global turmoil in the economy. But equities, stocks, even cryptocurrencies, they could recover. They could be leading indicators, and they could recover, whereas the housing market is totally in shock. And also on the stock market concerning equities, not all the sectors bounce back at the same rate. So pharmaceuticals, commodities, those have been doing very well, even though the world was locked down for a pandemic. But energy companies also did very well, or are doing very well right now. But as things change and the Feds apply their policies, and the Biden administration also applies certain policies, you might see certain sectors of the economy recovering faster than others. And this will be reflected on the equity market by stocks, companies that have stocks in those areas growing while others are lagging behind. So Redbox Entertainment Inc., even though today it might be down 12.94%, if you spread out and look over a month, you will see that decidedly the stock is heading upwards. And it might not be a parabolic upward trend, but it's decidedly an upward trend. So that is what I had to share with you guys today. Most of the indices on Wall Street are in the green. S&P 500 is up 0.52%. The Dow 30 is up 0.39%. Nasdaq is up 0.64%, and the Russell 2000 is up 0.27%. Please don't forget, on your way out, smash that subscribe button. We are slowly growing, but definitely heading towards the 1,000 subscriber mark that we fixed for ourselves to hit by the midterm elections in November. And every single new subscriber is helping us get to that goal, and I am deeply and very, very grateful for that. Thanks, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.